Okay, hello guys. This is my new PL680 from Tecsun, and here it is. This is my first PLL word band receiver. I never use. I already use the scanners, but not. I use like scanners for police scanner stations, and but not these ones. Okay, so this is the PL680 from Tecsun. I just choose this one because I really was confused. I couldn't find any title or comment or any reviews about this. I couldn't find that, like, why I have to pay much more for PL 880, and that one doesn't have an air band. And maybe for some users it's important to use like better signal for shortwave, but I wanted to have the air band also, so I couldn't go for 880. And because these days, as you know, that I'm recording for you, like a week ago I heard in the news that like someone like so I don't know exactly, in Iran they just shut down the airplane by like air defense, and now the governments and the world wants to see what happened there, and each side say something, who say lie, who say truth. So I thought maybe it's really good that I can hear those things. I don't trust to any government because the governments don't care about to only one person. They don't care if I believe or that. It's not matter for them. So, and also now these days we are soon going to, like, we don't know the end days, and it might happen like nuclear war. Then you don't have access to internet, and these things are the best you can have when there is nothing like kind of internet in the world, because this is the only free connection between the side of the world you can hear, and that's pretty good if you go for one of those. Wait for my next videos. I will show you how it works, and I am not professional in radios. I know there's people are more there are people like much more advanced than me, but honestly I couldn't see like something better than this for me, because I wanted also air band. Like I like a radio that can scan everything, like anything, any radio in the world that is using you can hear. I like that kind of videos, but I couldn't find. So this is the nice bag, and you can use it. And there's the two batteries for that, and the adapter, and also it's the headphone. So this is, I think, the longer antenna you have to use. I hope it worked well. And there is one small catalog that you can use to how to use it. And let's see the face of the radio. Okay. It looks like much bigger when I watch it on the videos, but it's not that much big, and it's really good because for mobility of movement. Here it is. This is the new PL680. and I hope it works well for me. Yeah, wait for my next video. I will upload if I find some good things to share with you guys. Bye.